Exercise 5.3, question number 16, a very important question. A sum of rupees 700 is to be used to give 7 cash prizes to students of a school for their overall academic performance. If each prize is rupees 20 less than its preceding prize, find the value of each of the prizes. That means total amount we are given rupees 700, and this amount is to be given as cash prizes for 7 students, and condition we are given that each prize is rupees 20 less than preceding price. That means let the first prize be A. So second prize will be A minus 20. Third prize will be A minus 40. Fourth prize will be A minus 60. Fifth prize A minus 80. And sixth prize A minus 100. Seventh prize is equal to A minus 120. Okay? These are the 7 prizes, and we are given that the sum of these 7 prizes, S7, is equal to 700. That means n equal to 7. So here first term we have taken as A, and you can see each prize is decreasing by rupees 20, so D will be equal to minus 20. Okay? So we have to find the cost of each prize. Okay? So let's see what is the value of A. So we use here, since Sn equal to n by 2 A plus An. Now here this 7th prize will be used as An because it is the last prize. It is the first prize, it is the last prize, An. So we have Sn equal to 700, which is equal to 7 by 2. A is A plus An is A minus 120. Okay? So let's cross multiply it. 700 into 2 upon 7 is equal to 2A minus 120. So if we cancel this, we get 100. So 100 into 2 is 200, is equal to 2A minus 120. Therefore 2A is equal to 200 plus 120. That implies A is equal to 320, and therefore A will be equal to 320 upon 2, that is equal to 160. So now as we have got the value of A, that implies first prize A is equal to 160, second prize which is A minus 20, so it is 160 minus 20, which is equal to 140. Third prize is equal to A minus 40, that is 160 minus 40 is equal to 120. Fourth prize A minus 60. 160 minus 60 is equal to 100. Fifth prize A minus 80. 160 minus 80 is equal to 80. Sixth prize is A minus 100. So 160 minus 100 is equal to 60. And seventh prize A minus 120. 160 minus 120 is equal to 40. That means the 7 prizes are 160 rupees, 140 rupees, 120 rupees, 100 rupees, 80 rupees, 60 rupees and 40 rupees. Okay.